Who buys an iPod Touch in 2018? I'm Rick. While depressing, shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Feel that for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. If you're new to the channel, first time stopping by, thank you for taking some of your time out to view my channel. I'm not a techie geek type channel. That's not me. I'm a woodworker. If some of you follow me, you know I'm actually doing a series now on my truck. I am completely going through the truck, putting a diesel in. And part of my life, whatever happens, is what I film. Because you never know who else may be going through something like that. May need a little insight, maybe a little tip, maybe a little knowledge, and that's what I'm all about, trying to help people out. Mainly I do woodworking. This though, I've noticed a lot of other videos coming out asking about the iPod, and they're wondering if the iPod Touch is even a viable buy anymore. I think that depends on the person's needs and their lifestyle. Everybody says this is all you need, your phone. I beg to differ. I like using my phone for a phone. I like the ability to do other stuff when I'm on a job or I'm someplace and I need to look up a part, look up something, look for stock. I can get my phone and do it, but that's not the main reason for my phone. My phone is my phone. Yes, it takes pictures, but I have a camera for that too, so I don't try to bundle everything into this. This is a great phone. I love my phone, but it is not taking the place of everything because it can't. I am all about trying to save money, trying to minimize stuff. We got rid of cable. I was paying $260 something a month cable. Tired of that. Way over cost. It's bull. Dumped cable. Kind of went around which way we finally got. I decided on the Fire Stick. This isn't going to be reviewing the Fire Stick, but this is just what I did. So between the Fire Stick, Hulu, Netflix, we're still not paying over $140 a month versus $260. So that's a major savings. Same goes for this. I'm not going to pay for streaming music. That's why I like this. This is my iPod 4. I like my iPod. I use my iPod extensively. I listen to music in the shop. I listen to music on the job. I listen to music as I'm driving, and I listen to music when I'm traveling, and this has been everywhere, Japan, Mexico, all over half the US, everywhere. I listen to my iPod all the time. Seriously, I do. The button's going out. I got dead spots on here. Wi-Fi no longer works. I replaced the screen about 2 years ago because I accidentally dropped it when I was cleaning it out of the OtterBox case. Yeah, my luck. Slipped, dropped, cracked it, I'm like, oh my gosh. One time I take it out of my OtterBox case, I drop it and it breaks. So I had to replace it because again, I utilize my iPod all the time. Every single night because I need my brain to shut down. So I have classical, soft, instrumental, I don't want to say salsa, but it's like Spanish guitar. Easy listening, soft music for my brain to shut down because if there's any singing in it, then that ignites my brain again and starts listening to the words. I'm like, no, I gotta shut down, quit thinking, go to sleep. Otherwise, I'm laying in bed for an hour and a half trying to go to sleep if I don't do this. So every single night I have 5 different lists of soft, instrumental, no words music that I randomly go through to go to sleep and listen. Every night I play my iPod. I play it on a speaker, but I play my iPod. Well, you can do it off the phone. Yeah, but I get tired when I'm listening to music. Texts come in, phone calls come in, and it shuts my music down, and I've got to do it. So it's strictly music, strictly phone and business. So I'm not going to do all the specifics. We all know that they haven't made these now for, it's been a while since they updated the iPod. Which is fine. Again, I've had this forever when it first came out. It's wearing out. So it makes sense to upgrade, get one before they're gone, and just see how long it lasts. I can literally have Bach playing some classical music, go to Cyndi Lauper, Garth Brooks, Beatles. I got Beatles in. I mean, I can be listening. It bounces around to all these different music styles, and in the midst of all this, it'll come up to a teaching, and I'll hear somebody talking about something, that'd be cool, I'll be listening to that, and then back to music. That's why I liked it, because it's the stuff that I want to listen to. Why should I pay to have music that I have to listen? If something comes up I don't care for, I have to get up, go over and bypass it. Whereas this is the stuff that I like to listen to. This is all my music, and I still buy music, still add to it. And that's basically it. So for me, and anybody else that may think on the lines of this, I think it is viable still to buy an iPod in 2018. It just depends on your needs and your lifestyle. And for traveling, I think it's a necessity. I'm going to open this up because I actually did something different to this one. Let's open up, check it out. Now I get to spend half the night getting everything transferred over and get this one up and running. Man, they got that packed in really good. And this reminds me of the day when I had my, I think it's the iPhone 4 or 5 small. All my music gets backed up, stays on here, so when I travel wherever, I don't have to worry about the cloud, it's on here. Now if I can just figure out how to get it out of here. Seriously, how in the hell did they get this in? Oh, there it is. Finally came loose. That was tight. There it goes. There. And I actually had it inscribed in the back. The shack. Build it for your sanity. I have a OtterBox, a screen protector coming for this. But for now, I'm going to get it plugged in, get it charged. I'm going to get it all set up. But it should have a little bit of a charge on it. Oh, here it goes. Now the only downfall, you'll never see that on the back. I'll have it in an OtterBox case, and you'll never see nothing.
With the iPod side by side, you can see that the 4th generation is a little bit shorter and a little bit thicker. The 6th generation is thinner. So I decided to weigh them. The 4th is 3.6 ounces and only 32 gigabytes, but the 6th generation, 128 gigs, is only 0.5 ounces lighter. Very streamlined. I love the finish, my little inscription up there, but it's very fluid. Screen's bright. It's very sensitive. It just flows very nicely. So I truly believe that is still valid in 2018.
I thought I would just share that with you real quick. And again, I think it really depends on the individual. I think it's lifestyle or need. And for my lifestyle, for traveling and stuff, and my need of wanting my music, not have to worry about getting up, skipping to the next one because something comes up I didn't like. I have all the music that I do like. That makes sense for me. It is viable for me, and hopefully this will last for the next 10 years. Doesn't take a lot of room. It's thin, it's small, very lightweight. This is a traveling companion. iPod Touch, still good 2018. Just my 2 cents. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Build it for your sanity. Just like it says back there, the shack. Build it for your sanity. Subscribe. And when you do subscribe, ding, 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 hit that bell so you are notified when the videos do come out. You never know what I'm going to come out with. Rest of my evening is getting this set up. Thanks again for watching. We will see you in the next video.